Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making this delicious baked tilapia and pepper sauce. I got this recipe from a lifestyle vlogger, Chinyere Abang, who I discovered last year, and I've practically watched all her vlogs, so please check her out. In her video she used catfish instead and used like a charcoal grill, but since I didn't have any of that, I decided to use my oven and tilapia. So let's start. I already washed and cleaned my fish off camera. So I'm going to start by making incisions or like slits around the body of the fish so that when I'm seasoning it, everything just enters perfectly. And I'll also open the fish up and just make a hole inside it. The next thing I like to do to also infuse flavor is to soak my fish in a mixture of salt and all-purpose seasoning. So I usually do this overnight. I soak the fish overnight. So this is the next day and I am just going to be taking the fishes out of the water and I will be passing it dry to remove the excess water. The seasoning for the fish is going to be a dry rub. So in this bowl, I have some Suya pepper and some all-purpose seasoning. I just mixed that together off camera, and I'm going to go ahead now and add some lemon juice. Then I'll just give that a stir till everything is mixed thoroughly. Then I will go ahead and season with the fish. Feel free to go in with your hands like I did. And just make sure that every part of the fish is thoroughly seasoned. After that, I'm just going to leave the fish and move on to the pepper sauce. You want to make this pepper sauce in the morning because it tastes so much better after you let it sit for a couple of hours. So you're going to start baking the fish towards the afternoon. So this pepper sauce would have maximum flavor. To make this pepper sauce, I will start by sauteing some onions in vegetable oil. So I'll do this for about 2-3 minutes. Then I will go ahead and add my veggies. So in this bowl I have some green bell peppers, some red bell peppers, some scotch bonnets, and then some tomatoes and carrots. We all know vegetables have natural moisture, so I will start by drying out the water from the vegetables before I lightly fry it. In between frying, I will be adding my garlic and some ginger paste. For seasoning, I kept it simple with just two things, smoked paprika and some adobo. Then I will just mix everything through again. You don't want to saute this for too long because you still want the vegetables to have a little bit of crunch. Now it's time to bake the fish in the oven. I will be using a foil just so that I am able to lock in all those flavors into the fish. You can bake it straight on the pan if you don't want to use a foil. As always, the full list of ingredients will be in the description box, so please check it out. Now our baked tilapia fish is ready, and I am just going to open up the foil, and I'll go ahead and add this delicious pepper sauce on it. And for the second fish, I wanted the top to be a little bit crispy, so I put it back in the oven and changed my oven setting to broil, and I just did that for a couple of minutes. So you can have it one of both ways. Oh, this fish was so good. That pepper sauce is everything. I want you to try this recipe out and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Till next time, bye.